Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with the 2022 Craft Room Organization Collaboration hosted by Miss Cara Brandon. Cara Brandon. And this one is, the prompt is to grab a box or a bag and remove everything that does not belong in your room. And that's just what I'm gonna do. These don't belong here. I'm trying to grab on my desk first, and then we're gonna go elsewhere. So far these don't belong here. Let's get all these together, and we're gonna put them in their place. Okay. So we're going for things that do not belong in my craft room. So we have all of these here. We're going to leave these in here. Put those up there. Let me see. Anything up there that doesn't belong in here? Oh my God, here comes Mom. Feed me. You're not even starting the chat. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. This doesn't belong in here. Whoops, a daisy. This doesn't belong. Let's see. Let's pull everything out little by little. Start with the top of my desk. And we're going to see what goes and what doesn't. So, here's my calendar. That stays in here. This doesn't belong, so we're going to put that in the basket. So far, so good. Okay. So, we got all this that goes in here, but there's certain places, so I'm going to follow the prompts most of the time that she's doing. So, we're doing the top of my desk first. All of this goes in here, so we're going to go through this bucket here. Right here, and I see something already. This doesn't go in here. This doesn't go in here. So I'm going to put this pile here. That's already been sorted. So let's go through this to see what belongs and what doesn't. Cotton balls, no. Sachets we can put in the bathroom. Spoon doesn't go in here. So all of this goes in. And we're going to do by prompts. So whatever's in here stays in here. And we're going to go through this one next. And I can tell you right now, I can put all this in one basket for now. So that is all good. Ow. Let's see. This can go in here. So this doesn't, well, this can go in here. Let me see. I have to stand up a bit for this, so forgive me. I'm trying not to make the video too long. So I have to sort other things out in a different way. So I'm going to get this bucket to help me sort other things so I can see what belongs and what doesn't belong. This is fine. That stays. This doesn't belong. So that goes in the basket. These are okay. These are good. This is okay. This is going to be going through also. So no matter what happens, everything's going to be organized. And we'll see. That goes there. This can be going through. Let's see. What else can we take off of here that doesn't go in here? Now I'm going to do a part 2 to this video because there's a lot of stuff that doesn't go in here. That is in here. So I'm just taking little by little. These are fine. This is fine. These don't go in here. So we got this show on the road. Let me close that before I break it. We got this show well on the road. This doesn't go. Oops, a daisy. These two items don't go. Or don't belong in here at least. Okay. Yeah, probably can hear me back here. Okay. I think that's all for that. Get to it and putting me under sedation with the health risk and because I was too big and yada 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 yada. The more I lose weight, the closer I get to losing. So that can stay there for now. This is fine. That's alright.
I've had it going for before we even moved in this house. I've had it since we lived at the Surrey house. I've got 12 years.
I believe that's all for this part on my desk. This doesn't belong in here.
Well, it started growing about a year and a half ago. It just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
So basically anything non-crafty is going out.
So now I'm like, the more I lose weight, the more they're willing to try and do something. When I was bigger, they weren't willing to do anything. They said I was too big, it was a risk, it would be under anesthesia, whatever.
These are all good.
They have to cut through a lot of fat to get to
this
it.
Is, well, I found something else. This doesn't go in here.
So the more I lose weight, it says the easier it is for them to actually do any kind of like surgery. So this first
these don't go in here. Ow, my foot.
Go away. You still hearing you over there. There we go.
This doesn't go in. No, we need another bucket.
Good luck, guys.
This doesn't go.
So yeah. So
okay.
The more positive they are finally going. The bigger I was, the scared they were, and the smaller I'm becoming, the more positive they're pressing forward to want to get it done. So they say when I get around 180, 190, I can go back for another visit, and they'll let me know what can be done. But if it grows more in the next, I think they say
these don't belong in here.
Like if it grows more in the next few months, like faster, like if it's tripling in size in the next like 4 or 5 months, then they'll deal with it immediately. But if it stops, but see, it's been
So
like
I think that's it that doesn't belong in here. I think everything else
So
belongs.
they said if it was
At
like
least that's on my desk.
Form, it would be growing
so
and the mass would already be consuming my face.
I will do a part 2 to this because I got behind my desk on the side of me and there's another big pile elsewhere. So we'll get to that and we'll see what happens. So let's put that over there. So all this doesn't belong in here. So we're going to find the rightful places to where they go. And we'll see what happens. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And stay tuned for part 2. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be kind, be organized, be safe. Let's repeat that. Be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be organized, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. I will see you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.